Good morning everyone, it's me CK and welcome back to my channel. Whoa, just saying, but I low-key feel awkward vlogging right now because I haven't vlogged in such a long time. But anyway, hi guys! It's currently Thursday and it's June 30. Tomorrow's July, can you guys believe that? It's 10:30 and I am currently waiting for my driving lesson. But anyway, for today's video, I decided to just vlog my week because I'm currently in my semester break, so technically I am pretty much free anytime. Yeah. The tire's fixed now.
I got it fixed straight after.
But yeah, hopefully, yeah, this lesson is gonna be fun.
1 hour later.
YOLO guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but I just finished my driving lesson. I'm currently in the shopping center because I'm going to be watching a movie with my friend. Just finished watching the movie. Say hi to my friend Yago.
Hello.
Any thoughts on the movie?
It was pretty long.
Yeah, we watched Jurassic. God. Pretty long, 2 hours. Yeah, it was like more than 2 hours. Ridiculous, but it was okay, I guess.
Pretty cliche.
Currently 4:30. I am inside the car. My dad's over there because my dad is sending me off to a beach. You see, me and my primary school friend named Alysa, we decided to meet up and get together, hang out. So that's gonna be exciting. Yeah, I know. Today is just a full day for me. Hey guys, we're over here eating stuff. Meet my best friend Alysa. It's okay. Do you want to say something?
Wait, I still have food on my face.
Did I say something?
Hello.
Guys, don't you think she's so pretty? Sorry, my voice.
Please, stop it.
We are eating pad thai. Pad thai. Oh my gosh, my pronunciation. I'm sorry. I'm nearly done.
At the moment we're in this section.
We're walking around. You look cute. By the way, over there is super crowded, so we're just like walking around. It's so crowded. Yeah.
A few moments later.
So, after watching that circus show, we got ice cream. My primary school friend, Ethan, if you're watching this, hi, served us. We're annoying him.
He's changed a lot.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Ethan. Good morning, everyone. It's finally Friday, July 1st. I am currently walking to the shopping center because, you see, I got a job. I'm working in a bubble tea shop. Funny story, I used to work in the same shop last year, but I decided to quit because I was getting busy from school. But then I was like, hey yo, I need to start saving up money again. So I went back. But this time it's closer to where I live because they branched out. But anyway, that's my agenda today. Also later on, we're gonna be watching fireworks. Also, my shift starts at 9:30. It's like currently 8:30. I decided to go early just in case. Is that a dog? I'm so confused. Oh my gosh, guys, it's currently 12:17. I'm on my 15-minute break. I'm just gonna quickly see if one of my friends are working in a different store. Hey guys. Oh my gosh, I think I heard fireworks. Like I said earlier, we're gonna watch fireworks in here.
Thank you.
I'm actually scared of loud sounds. Oh, that's so cool. Audrey, say hi.
Hi!
Oh my gosh, guys, say hi to my vlog.
Hi! Hi! Hey, how
Wow.
We
We found our whole family.
Oh,
We're chilling here. People are setting off fireworks already, and I'm scared because I hate loud sounds.
I hate fireworks too.
Yeah! This is like I got my headsets and etc. because I'm gonna be. Oh my freaking! I'm so done. Yeah! Wow!
Tomorrow.
Good morning, everyone. It's Saturday, and for breakfast, we're eating nachos. So today, my family and I want to go shopping for my birthday. And yeah, hash brown. Yeah. I look so crusty right now. I'm sorry, guys. Later on, around 3, I have my shift in the bubble tea shop again. I can't believe I worked 7 hours yesterday. Let's go, more money. Okay, now I am in the city. It's really cold, by the way. It's like 17 degrees, and I am loving the cold weather. Guys, I found this cute dress. I'm not gonna show you the full yet, but it's probably gonna be for my 17th birthday. Hi, I'm early. Alright, I'm in the closing shift, so just cleaning up. I think we're pretty much done. Okay, bye bye. Good morning, everyone. It's Sunday, and guess what? I know this vlog has been pretty random, but like I'm in a wildlife park with my family. I just showered, so my hair is low-key wet. I don't know. Don't mind my family, cause like we're like this random. Like we would just say, oh, let's go to this place, and then boom, we're here.
When it's finished, the train's gonna pick everybody up. Training session with the birds of prey this afternoon.
So we're gonna wait for the shuttle train right there to go to the place that we're gonna want to go. Look at this.
Ano yan?
It's the frill neck lizard thing.
Saan siya?
It's like hiding somewhere. Me and Cara are gonna be at the back. Over there. Oh my gosh, for that. Oh, we're moving, guys. We're moving.
Alright folks, firstly just like to welcome everyone aboard the train and welcome to the Wildlife Park. Continuing hassles throughout the day, feel free to come and see myself or any of the staff that you'll see around the park today.
Really take me to the experience.
No, I hate loud sounds. Ah! Ah! I dislike loud sounds. Wow. 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 Whoa, look at the bird. Cute. I love birds. This is so cute. Look at this. It's you. Here. Gonna be inside the big cage. Wish us luck. Yeah, we're inside. Oh. Oh, I see a bird. Car, this is so aesthetic if I take a picture right now. I'm scared if I drop my phone and then the birds will eat it. I mean, not eat it. Oh, here. Miss Girl. I can't tell if this is real or fake. What is this? Oh, it moved. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It moved. I thought it was a fake one. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now we're heading to the aquarium because why not? The beds over there was pretty cool. I thought they were fake. I guess not. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh,
Really.
look at this. So cute. Wow. What is this turtle? Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's crocodile. Oh, I have a soft spot for turtles. Like, they're just amazing. Wow. This is so cool. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Hello. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Nemo! Ah! My storage is gonna die soon. Oh, look at this. Hello. I miss having fishes as pets. Look, isn't this Dory? Or am I like mistaking it? Oh my gosh, it's so small. So cute. We're in the bus. I'm in the shuttle train thing to go to the next destination.
Today, and we're going to be doing this afternoon's training session. Red-collared lorikeets. If you're from the southern states, they may look like rainbow lorikeets, but he does have a lovely orange stripe on the back of his neck there. So while he's over there, he's got a little bit of nectar in a pot. I'm going to move. Rizzo's got those baby colors, and those baby colors are there to show both the same species. I'm just a baby. I'm not going to steal your territory. I'm just learning how to fish for myself. Beautiful, good girl. She's going to fly around, hopefully come back in, and I'll give her a little bit of fish for that. And even her tail slightly twists to compensate for that. So there we go, point B. Come on, Yarrick. Come on. Good girl.
1 hour later.
Just pat her down the back there.
Smoother than my skin. Okay guys, it's like 6 something and I'm here with my ladies. Say hi! Hello! Oh, are we taking a selfie now? What was that? Oh wait, it's my turn guys, it's my turn. Go, go, go! No, we all I got my contact. Come here! Yeah, let's go! You're embarrassing me! Yeah! Oh, that's a good one! How? Go on, Ella! What was that? Oh, look, basketball. I don't know. I'm confused. It's so funny. Are you guys ready to get scared?
How many press 2? There's 3D glasses.
Oh yeah? With 3D.
Not even to make a difference.
I'm about to die! Don't die! Hello everyone, it's finally Thursday. Yes, I didn't vlog on Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday because on Monday it was just driving lesson. On Tuesday I had work and on Wednesday me and my sister went to our grandma's house. Right now I am going to be watching the Thor movie with my family. How was it? Oh my gosh, the movie just ended.